Imagine a lake that changes its colors as if by magic. This isn't a work of fiction, but the three-colored lake Kelimutu, a natural wonder nestled on the island of Flores in Indonesia. But how did this wonder come into existence? Stay tuned as we delve into the mysterious formation of Mount Kelimutu. In the heart of the Ende district, there lies a dormant volcano named Mount Kelimutu. It's a place of significant historical cultural value, with a captivating story that dates back thousands of years. The local people named the volcano Kelimutu, which means boiling lake. As the tale of this ancient volcano unfolds, prepare to be amazed at the mysterious genesis of its three enigmatic crater lakes. The story of Kelimutu starts in the Pleistocene era, over 2 million years ago. The formation of this volcanic mountain was a result of repeated volcanic activity. As the volcanic activity subsided, three crater lakes formed at the summit. These lakes are the heart of Kelimutu, each with its unique charm, but what makes them truly unique are their names and ever-changing colors. Stay tuned to discover the mystical Tiwu Ko'ofai Nuamuri, Tiwu Atapolo, and Tiwu Atambupu, and their magical color transformations. The locals gave these lakes names that reflect their characteristics. Tiwu Atambupu, the lake of old people, is usually blue. Tiwu Nuamuri Ku Fai, the lake of young men and maidens, often displays a green hue. The third lake, Tiwu Atapolo, the bewitched or enchanted lake, is typically red. As we end, just imagine being at this mystical place, the colors of the lakes changing with the mood of the sky, creating a painting of nature that is as unpredictable as it is captivating. The Lake Kelimutu truly stands as a testament to the world's endless beauty and mystery. For those of you with a wanderlust spirit, wanting to bask in the beauty of this natural wonder, there are several options for accommodations. The closest place to stay near Lake Kelimutu is the Kelimutu Crater Lakes Eco Lodge. This lodge offers a comfortable stay with a breathtaking view of the surrounding landscape. What's more, it's not just about the stunning scenery. This lodge is eco-friendly, striving to minimize its environmental impact and supporting local communities. Imagine waking up to the magnificent view of the changing colors of the lakes right outside your window. The Kelimutu Crater Lakes Eco Lodge is indeed a perfect place for those who want to stay close to nature's heart.